Hey guys, we got the two bad boys once again, and we just gonna hear how they sound. They both got mid muffler deletes from the same shop, same piping, same welds. He recommended to me, that dude, from Performance Mufflers. We ready to get a show on, and we just gonna test them out, see which one sounds louder. 6.4, 5.7. Let's get it going. All right, guys, we got my 5.7 on the left, 6.4 on the right. Right now they're kind of warm, so we're gonna do some warm starts right here. See which one sounds, you know, aggressiveness, tone. Then we're gonna give you a few revs, and we're gonna do a little drive-by right here in this garage.
Too crazy.
How crazy?
Big blessings.
B5 Blue.
Don't worry about to do it.
All right, guys. Here's my 5.7 warm start. All right, next we got 6.4 about to start.
All right, guys. 6.4. Snap back. Let's start it up. Warm start.
All right, now let me get a clip of both of them running at the same time. All right, guys, and remember the thing about Dodge, we're about to show you some revs, but the thing about Dodge, they have the rev limiter set from the factory to 4K. So let's hear how it sounds.
All right, guys. So we thought a rev is 5.7 first. So the one thing to keep in mind is Dodge will put a rev limiter. God damn, that thing is loud. You're right, bro.
Sounds loud, right? Sounds
Yeah.
loud, right?
It is louder. For some reason, I don't know. I guess they'll judge on video, bro.
Yeah, we'll see the results. We'll see the results in the video, but just to let you guys know, I did 2 revs at 2K 2 revs at 3K, and then 2 revs at 4K.
2 revs at 2K, 2 revs at 3K, and 2 revs at 4K?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do the same shit.
Whew, god damn.
Was it loud?
That was super loud.
I can't tell really.
We'll tell on the video. We could tell on the video.
Good. Another one. You're not gonna rip it again?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys, you just heard my car pass, and now we're about to hear a Muscle Maid's car. See how it sounds. right, guys, as you heard, we had the 5.7 and the 6.4. They both sound beautiful at the end of the day. You know, just drop down comments what you think. Which one sounds better, which one sounds worse, you know, or, you know, you guys want to keep it neutral. But at the end of the day, decide. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, watch this video. Muscle Made on Instagram. Follow my Instagram, Bluecina_RT. As you know, I named her Bluecina. Thank you guys. Peace.